Tonight, you're going to do something incredibly dangerous. You're going to lie down, close your eyes, and switch off your entire conscious mind for 8 hours. Total blackout. Defenseless. And you'll do it happily, because if you don't, your body will start to break. Fast. So let's actually run the experiment. What if, starting right now, you never slept again? Not 1 minute, ever. Let's count the days. Day 1. Honestly, you'd feel fine. Annoyed, a bit foggy, weirdly hungry. Your body starts demanding junk food almost immediately because it's desperate for quick energy. But here's the first scary stat. After just 24 hours awake, your brain performs like you're drunk. Reaction time, judgment, coordination, all of it legally shouldn't drive levels of bad. You haven't touched a drop. Your brain doesn't care. Day 2. Now your body fights back, and it fights dirty. It starts forcing something called microsleeps. Your brain literally switches off for 2 or 3 seconds at a time, mid-conversation, mid-step, eyes open. You won't even notice it happening, which is terrifying, because if it happens behind the wheel of a car at 70 miles an hour, 3 seconds is everything. Your brain isn't asking for sleep anymore. It's stealing it. Day 3. This is where things get genuinely strange. The hallucinations begin. Shadows in the corner of your eyes start moving. You hear someone say your name in an empty room. That hat on the chair? For a second, you'd swear it was a cat. Your brain is so desperate to dream that it starts dreaming while you're awake. The wall between your imagination and reality, the one you've trusted your whole life, starts leaking. Day 5. The leak becomes a flood. Paranoia sets in. Real people in your life start to feel suspicious. Your speech slurs. You forget what you were saying mid-sentence. Your body temperature drops. Your immune system is in free fall, and your emotions are a slot machine. Laughing, then furious, then crying at nothing. At this point, people around you wouldn't say you seem tired. They'd say you seem like a different person. Day 11. Here's where we hit the edge of the known map. In 1964, a 17-year-old student named Randy Gardner stayed awake for 11 days straight, about 264 hours, for a school science project. No energy drinks. They didn't exist yet. Just willpower and 2 friends keeping him awake. By the end, he couldn't finish sentences. He hallucinated. He forgot what he was doing while he was doing it. On the final day, they asked him to count down from 100 by sevens. He stopped halfway because he forgot what numbers were. And then, he slept 14 hours and was basically fine. Wild, right? But here's the detail people miss. Record keepers stopped accepting sleep deprivation attempts after this. Not because it was boring, because it was too dangerous to encourage. So, can it actually end you? Here's the honest answer. Scientists have never been able to test the limit on a human, for obvious reasons. But nature, horribly, ran the experiment for us. There's an extremely rare genetic condition, affecting only a handful of families on Earth, where one day, the brain simply loses the ability to sleep. Completely. And it doesn't end well. The total breakdown takes months, and it's one of the main reasons scientists are confident about something huge. Sleep isn't rest. Sleep is maintenance, and no brain survives without maintenance forever. Because here's what sleep actually is. This is my favorite part. Every day, just by thinking, your brain builds up literal waste, junk proteins, cellular garbage, and your brain has a cleaning system that can only run properly when you're unconscious. While you sleep, your brain cells physically shrink, opening channels and cleaning fluid washes through, power hosing the garbage out. That's what sleep is. A nightly deep clean of the most complicated object in the known universe. Skip it, and the garbage piles up. The lights flicker, the system corrupts. You're not resting, you're being repaired. So tonight, when you lie down, remember what's actually happening. Your brain, The thing reading this sentence with you right now is about to take itself offline, run a full cleanup, sort today's memories into storage, and rebuild you for tomorrow. 8 hours of maintenance. Every night. For free. Maybe the question was never, what if you stopped sleeping? Maybe it's, how is something this incredible the thing we all take for granted? Sleep well tonight. Seriously, you've seen what's behind the curtain now.